first, just follow the location map of India. In this location map, the mainland of India extends from 8° north to 37° north latitude, 68° east to 97° east longitude, and the mainland of India extends from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and the western part run of Kutch to Arunachal Pradesh in the eastern part. Just follow the middle portion. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country, dividing it into two equal parts, that is the northern temperate zone and southern tropical land. The standard meridian marked 82.5° east, passing through Allahabad. Now come to the next point, that is the neighboring countries of India. In the northern side, China, Nepal, Bhutan. Eastern side, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Western side, Pakistan. Northwestern side, Afghanistan, Tajikistan. And the southern part, Sri Lanka, are the neighboring countries of India. Now come to the main point, that is the physical features of India. There are 5 broad categories, that is the Himalayan Mountain, the Great Plain, the Peninsula Plateau, the Coastal Plain, and the Islands. So at first we discuss about the Himalayan Mountain. The north wall of the Himalaya can be divided into 3 divisions: the Northwest Range, the Northern Himalayan Range, and the Northeast Himalayan Range. It's called Purvachal. At first, follow the western side. It's a series of mountain ranges radiating from Pamirnath, known as the roof of the world. The Hindu Kush, southwestern part, Kunlun, eastern part, Karakoram, southeastern part, and the Ladakh and Jaskar ranges there. Now come to the middle portion. The Northern Himalayan Range means the Great Northern Himalaya. This range runs from Kashmir to Assam. Just follow the westernmost part. The westernmost limit, the northern arch, is Nanga Parvat, and the easternmost limit marked by the Namcha Barwa peak. The Great Himalayan Range comprises 3 distinct parallel ranges. First, the Himadri, second, the Lesser Himalaya, and third, the Shivalik. The Shivalik is the outermost range of Himalaya. Now just follow the northeastern side. In the northeastern part, there are Patkai Boom, Naga Hills, Mizo Hills, Garo Khasi, Jayantiya Hills is there. Now, the second broad category is the Great Plain of North India. Just follow the southern part of Himalaya. The Great Plain lies the southern part of Himalaya. The regional division of the Great Plains is, just follow the western part, the Rajasthan Plain, and the northwestern part, the Indus Punjab Haryana Plain, the Ganga Plain, middle portion, and eastern side, Brahmaputra Plain. Now, Peninsular Plateau. It's a triangular shaped region. This region consists by Deccan Plateau, Telangana Plateau are there, Malaya Plateau, etc. The coastal region. The narrow coastal strip between the corner of Peninsular Plateau and the coastline. The coastal plain are divided into 2 parts, the eastern coastal plain and the western coastal plain. The western coastal plain, there are three coasts, that is the Gujarat coast, Konkan coast and Malabar coast. And the eastern coastal plain, there are two coasts, that is the northern coast and the Coromandel coast. And the last point is the islands. There are several group of islands: Sri Lanka, Andaman Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Maldives, etc. Now we will discuss about the drainage pattern. The rivers of India are divided into two parts: rivers of northern plain and rivers of peninsular India. At first, rivers of northern plain. The main three rivers of the northern plain, that is the Indus, the western side, Ganga, middle portion, and eastern part Brahmaputra. The Indus river. The Indus along with its 5 tributaries, that is Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Beas, Sotred. And the Ganga river system middle portion. The Ganga river system consists of the main river Ganga and a large number of its tributaries. Now follow the eastern part. The Brahmaputra system. Brahmaputra is one of the longest river of the world and passes through Tibet, India and Bangladesh. Now the rivers of peninsular India. Just follow the eastern part. Main 4 rivers, that is the Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. And the western part, main 2 rivers, Narmada, Tapti. So this is the summary of this chapter. All of you study the map very carefully. Okay? And try to practice the map pointing at home if possible. Thank you. Have a nice day.